Let's Speak English, a training program for the leaders of tomorrow. Yeah, it's an amazing journey with our students who are eager to speak in English confidently and fluently. We are really enjoying each moment of this unique journey. Here are some glimpses of excellence. Just watch it. You will love the performances of our children.
Good evening to all. It's me Arjun Gobi. Today I would like to say thanks for giving me such a opportunity to introduce my family member. This is my grandma. Her name is Chinna and she is 89 years old and from എവിടെയാണ് വീട് എവിടെ പൂക്കോളങ്ങര and തോന്നിപ്പടിക്കൽ okay then studied up to first standard at പുതുപ്പറമ്പ് school പുതുപ്പറമ്പോ ഏത് സ്കൂൾ ഏതാ തീണ്ടേക്കാട് school and he got married at the age of 16 and husband name is Ayyappan. That's my grandfather and he is no more. His hobbies are making food and she doesn't like to social media, no watch serial, not listen to music, etc. Thank you.
I watched the video. It is about Janvi and a grandmother. Janvi, the wonderful girl of India, knows different languages. At the age of 14, she is a PG student. Secondly, about the grandmother. She speaks English very well. She is always happy. From this, what I understand is try do something. Do it again. Do it again and again. Keep on doing. Surely we can win.
Hi everyone, hope you all are fine and safe at home. I watched 2 videos by Seena Miss provided by Indu ma'am. The first video is about a young girl named Janvi Panwa from a small village of Haryana. She always chased her father's dream and he wanted her to be in the path of Sarojini Naidu. And at the age of 13 she grasped almost 10 languages, 8 assets and a graduation. And she also studied basic Japanese and French. And at the age of 9 she known as Wonder Girl of India. And then she always tells that a dream doesn't come through reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination and hard work. And she almost delivers motivational speech to IAS officers across 8 states of India. And the second clip is about a old lady who speaks English fluently and confidently. So the most important question arises from here is, a young girl and an old lady can speak English confidently and fluently. Why can't we? Answer it yourself and hard work for it.
Hello everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this good opportunity, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. I am Najma, coming from Puranjar, +1 student at GHSS Maranjeri. There are 5 members in our family. My father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife. I have 1 sister and 1 brother. I want to become a teacher and my hobbies are listening music and reading books. Thank you. That's all about me.
Good evening, one and all. Respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, I would like to share some of my thoughts about my ambition. I feel like to begin my speech with the words of great Oscar Wilde. Ambition is the last refuge of failure. Yes, we can embrace our goal after much failure, but we have to set a strong goal in our mind and follow them. The knowledge of what is our goal drives us forward in our life, and it keeps us on the focus. It also gives an aesthetic meaning for our life. Yes, I have such an ambition. I would like to become a scientist in ISRO. I would like to take a part in the space missions of our country. I think I am on the way to attain my goal. I work hard for that. My teachers and my parents gives me strong support. Now I remember the great words of Paulo Coelho. He said that when you want something, the whole universe conspires in helping you to achieve your goal. Yes, I want to become a scientist. So I am sure that the whole universe will help me to attain my goal. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi friends, I'm Shahana Sharif from Iqbal Nagar. Now I'm studying Navamukunda Higher Secondary School, Tirunavaya. I have father, mother, one sister. My ambition is to become a doctor. My hobbies are drawing and reading books. So I conclude my words. Thank you for watching me.
Hello ma'am, I am Fatima Hanan from Vettam. I am plus 1 Commerce Class student in Navamukunda Higher Secondary School. I have father, mother, brother and sister. Father is a businessman and mother is housewife. I hope I become a accountant. That's all. Thank you ma'am.
Good evening to all. I am Aditya Anil. I am from Tungatara. I am studied at MBM HSS Tungatara and I am currently a student in SVHSS Palamat. My family has 4 members, my father, my mother and one sister. And my ambition is to become an IPS officer. I have a lot of dreams. I want to buy a bullet and a car. My car is very different, and I will achieve my all dreams and I will work for it. And I'm a singer, but not great singer. I love all Malayalam songs, and my favorite singers is Shreya Ghoshal, Chitrama and Yeshuda sir. Shreya Ghoshal voice is really amazing. I really love her, and my role model is Shreya Ghoshal. And thanks for watching my video. I hope all of you are safe, and thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Padma Shazayam from Pendulmana. I am currently a student at Government Model High Secondary School Pendulmana in Computer Science Department. My family is a nuclear family. My father is a businessman, my mother is a businesswoman, and I have a brother. He is in 6th standard in my same school. While talking about my hobbies, I like to edit videos and edit photos. I'm a big fan of pop music, and in my free times I used to hear music. That's it.
Good afternoon, ma'am. First of all, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. My name is Sandhya Ganesh and I am from Kerala. Coming to my family, I belong to a nuclear family. About my parents, I have an elder brother. My father is a businessman and my mother is a bank employee. My short-term goal is to get a job in this company, and my long-term goal is to continue my studies, that is doing graduation, thereafter post-graduation, and thereby settling my career. And lastly, if I get a job in this company, I promises that I'll try my maximum to utilize my potential for development of this company. And that's all about me. I'm once again thanking everyone for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good evening, ma'am. First of all, let me thank you very much for shortlisting me to the interview. I'm Aisha. I'm 21 years old. I live in Nilambur with my parents and 2 elder sisters who are very much bright and smart. The first one, she is working at the Techno Park as software engineer, and the other one, she has just completed her CMA and now working at Tisco. Coming towards me, I love subjects like mathematics and physics. The thing I love about physics is how the mechanism of different machines, like how it works and the laws, everything I love. And I love the mathematical puzzles, solving problems, right? Love that. And talking about my 10th and plus 2 life, I've been there in JRC, that is Junior Red Cross, in 10th standard. That was really a great experience for me because we had a lot of responsibilities and we did it with great enthusiasm. I really loved it. And obviously, as I was in JRC, I just got selected to NSS from plus 1. It was a very different vibe, you know. The teachers were very cool. They taught us a lot of things. And besides education, I was active in the arts and sports. Even though I haven't get anything, but still I've been actively participated in all. I truly believe that participation is everything. And I have a great hope and faith in God, as I am a strong believer of God. I strongly believe that even I fail in any of the opportunities, there's something really great that God has kept safe for me. So that's all what I have to say. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. First of all, I thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Fatima Shahla. I'm basically from Malappuram. I did my graduation in BSc MIT from Rajiv Gandhi University, Bangalore. Also, I had 2 years of internship from a medical college. I belong to a small, normal Muslim family. My strength is that I am a self-motivated, hardworking, and a disciplined person. My short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed hospital, and my long-term goal is to achieve a good position where I can build my career and help in the organization too. My hobbies are listening to music, reading books, and cooking. That's all about me. Thanks for giving me this opportunity.
Who needs a superhero when I have a mom? Hi friends. Today I am so glad to introduce a person for whom I have a great love and respect, and that's my mother. Her name is Shandy Jacob, and she is a school teacher and the mother of 4 children. She is 50 plus, but still she is very beautiful and energetic.
Everyone, I am Fatima Nihala from HRNA. Today I am introducing you to my brother's daughter. Her name is Nuha Fatima. She is 5 years old. She is a nursery student. Her father in abroad. Her mother is working nursery teacher. She is very naughty. We enjoyed her naughtiness. We work in her happiness. Thank you.
Good evening. It is my pleasure to introduce myself. I am Varna H. Kumar. I am coming from Ponnani. I completed my 10th standard at AV Higher Secondary School, Ponnani. I am studying Girls Higher Secondary School. My family consists of 4 members, father, mother and sister. Father's name is Arikumar and my mother's name is Suma. I have only one sibling. Her name is Pallavi H. Kumar. She is studying as Bachelor of Dental Surgery at Manu. My hobbies are writing, poems, stories, dancing, collections of lots of coins and stamps. My ambition is to become an IAS officer. Thank you.
Good evening to all. I am Rima. I am from Malappuram. I live with my parents. I completed my school education from GHSS Marancheri and I completed my graduation from Ancha Women's College. As of now, I don't have any work experience, but I will prove once the opportunity comes. I am very hardworking and sincere. I like music and I like to learn new things. I believe that you have to remain learner to the end of your life. Thank you one and all.
Hello dear teachers and my dear friends, how are you? Today we are entering the 3rd section of our spoken English, and today I am doing a video that introduced me to the job. Okay, let me start. Hey, good morning, sir. Let me introduce myself. Thank you. I am Naureen Nasser from Malappuram, Arikod, and I used to work as an accountant in a private company in Ernakulam. I worked there for 2 years and I resigned because I want to move Malappuram now, and I am disciplined-minded person too. That's my strength and power. And thank you so much for giving me so much time to talk. If you still have something asked, I am ready to answer. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank nursery teacher and others for giving me a chance to introduce myself. I am Kirtana and I am 16. I was born and raised here in Ponnani. I am coming from a family of 4 and I am one of 2 siblings. I am currently a student of GHSS Ponnani and I am taking a course of science. I am a keen music listener and I really enjoy doing artworks, and I am a biggest fan of watching movies. And the fun part about me is I love talking to myself. I think it's an opportunity for me to listen and reason out many ideas without being interrupted. So this is all about me. Thank you.
Hey everyone, it's me Amin. First of all, if I talk about the experience that I had from our Let's Speak English journey, it was amazing, incredibly fascinating, I would say. Before joining to it, in my case, I wasn't able to get that pre-course activity because our group was already filled. So I was a latecomer to the group and I wasn't able to get that pre-course activities. I don't know what happened in the pre-course thing, but before that my English was kind of like okay-ish thing. But after joining to it, I was able to make my language even more better and increase its quality. You know, this is the best thing that ever happened to me because I was able to talk to the people, talk to the students, to the teachers, and express myself in a various perspective. Also, I got that opportunity to talk with Johnny Ponner, which is amazing. I never thought that I will be able to talk to her. I've been following for her more than 2.5 years. And I asked her some doubts, and that day, like, I just felt that my dream just came true. As our, famous writer, avid writer, I would say his name is Paulo Coelho, and he said that if you wish for something very strongly, then the entire universe would realign to make your wish come true. And it actually happened in the case of Johnny Ponner and me.
Hi friends, I'm Noor Fatima. Hope you all are fine. And first of all, I say sorry to being late. And today I would like to share the experience after I joined Let's Speak program. And now I'm feeling that my English vocabulary and my English speaking style. And before I joined this program, my English is very boring English, and my sound, when I send a voice and I hear, I think very bored sound. But after joining this program and send videos, audios to this group, and now I feel not boring sound, it's nice sound. And first of all, I say thanks to Iqbal sir and CGSD for conducting this type of program. And this improves my speaking skill to others and improve my language. Sending videos and audios in English give me more confident and more beautiful experience. You know what? It's really enjoying when I take video of myself and sending the groups. It's very really I enjoy it. And I love English language because it's really nice to hear it. And now I also speaking to English.
Language is a roadmap of a culture by Rita Mae Brown. Respected teachers and my dear friends, a warm good evening to one and all. So I am here today to speak a few words regarding the Let's Speak English program and how it has improved my vocabulary. As we all know, this program was initiated by the GCNAC of Malappuram for the students of higher secondary to improve their language skills and their confidence to speak it. So first things first, this was a great approach, and that too in midst of this pandemic.
This program was simple yet alluring, and we were presented modules, and we were asked to present the modules, and it was amazing how we were encouraged, and our teachers appreciated us and our coordinators appreciated us by doing this work, and it has immensely improved our confidence level, I guess. And yeah, that's the main point. And one other thing that I got from this point, or what I earned from it, is that speaking English isn't about speaking in the perfect grammar or knowing the perfect tenses. It is not at all about being perfect. It is about being able to understand each other and convey our messages properly, and that's what we have to do confidently, and that's exactly what I've gained, confidence. So yeah, I'd like to thank them for that. And we even got a chance to meet with the Wonder Girl of India, Janvi Panwal, and it was amazing. She shared her tips, and that was great. And yeah, that's one of the things that I love from this program. The next thing would be that we were able to collect many words to our vocabulary, as we were asked to study 20 words each day, and that was a great thing. The next thing is that this program was something that we had not expected, yet we got, and that is truly a blessing, I guess. I sincerely thank all those who worked behind this program and all those who are helping. Once again, thank you so much for listening to my short speech. Thank you and have a wonderful day.